Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer n as the input, then print the desired pattern as shown below, that is the crown pattern. So now we'll take our first test case. Here the integer n is 11 and this is the desired crown pattern. So we can clearly see that the first column, the last column and the middle column have asterisks, and here we have the plus symbols. So after that, in order to print these, we have to follow some logic. That is, we'll have the row equal to n minus 1 double slash 2, that is the total number of rows will be here, and columns will be the n. So after getting the first row, we can see that here we'll use minus 1. Now here we have hash symbols, that is incremented accordingly. So for that, we'll have column less than equal to row, or column greater than equal to n minus row minus 1. Or so now we have given the condition for these hash in the first place. So it will be incremented, and that is when call less than equal to row, we'll get these hashes. And now in order to get these hashes, we'll have this condition, that is call greater than equal to n minus row minus 1. And in order to get the hashes in the middle, we'll have this condition, that is call greater than equal to n double slash 2 minus row, and column less than equal to n double slash 2 plus row. So if these conditions are true, means we'll have hash, we have to print hash, else we'll have the plus symbol. So that's it. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the input, the integer n. Then after that, we'll have our for loop for column in range n, and if the column is equal to 0, or column equal to n double slash 2, or column equal to n minus 1, means we have to print asterisk and use end argument, else will print plus symbol. So now we have got our first row, and at last we'll use the print new line. Now the total number of rows is r equal to n minus 1 double slash 2. So since we have already got our first row, we'll use minus 1 here to get our other rows, and now we'll use a for loop to iterate over for row in range r and for column in range c. Here we have our condition for printing the hash, So column less than equal to row, this will have to print the hash along the left side, and this condition is to print the hash along the right side of the pattern, and we'll have this one to print the hashes in the middle of the pattern. That is column greater than equal to n /2 minus row and minus row, and column less than equal to n /2 plus row. So if this condition is true, means we are going to print hash, use end argument, else will print the plus symbol and use end argument, and at last we'll print new line. Here it is n, not c. Now we'll execute our program with our first test case. We have got the correct output, that is the correct crown pattern. Now we'll have our second test case. Here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.